Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some Escovitch fish in my kitchen the Jamaican way. So if you want to learn this nice delicious recipe, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I've got all my ingredients here. Over here, I've got all my seasoning here that I'll be seasoning my fish with. I've got me some ginger, garlic, and pimento, some black pepper, some salt, some garlic powder, some all-purpose seasoning, and some fish seasoning. Over here, I've got me 2 porgy. Make sure, guys, you slice your fish. Whenever you're frying your fish, make sure it has 2 slices in it, back and front. And the same thing over here. Same thing over here, guys. Make sure your fish is well dried. We're gonna dry our fish. So we're gonna use some paper towel here. We wanna make sure your fish is well prepared for frying. I wash and clean my fish with vinegar and lemon, and I let it soak for 4 to 5 minutes. Over here now, I've got my vegetables. We have some carrots, some white onion, and I'll be using some sweet peppers. I've got the different colors of sweet peppers: green, red, and yellow. I like it colorful. And I've got me some pimento and my vinegar. So guys, let's get this process started. So now, guys, I'm gonna combine all my seasoning that I'll be using together. All right, so everything is combined together. So now my fish, just open it, and then I'm gonna add our seasoning to our fish. And we're not going to use a lot of seasoning, so yes, you want to ensure that your fish is well seasoned. We want nice tasty fish. Yes, see guys, everything seasoned. The outside is all seasoned. There it is. And I'm just gonna place it in this bowl right here. Put this aside, and then we're gonna continue the exact same process. And there you have it, guys, my seasoned fish. And I'm just gonna put this away for half an hour so everything comes to a little marinating point. So guys, see you back in half an hour time. So now guys, here's my fish. It has been marinating for half an hour and it's all ready to be fried. Really nice. So guys, let's get started. So I've got my frying pan right here, and I'm gonna add me some cooking oil. So guys, we want to ensure the oil is well hot before we place the fish in the oil so the fish can be fried. If you place your fish in the cold oil, the fish is gonna stick to the pot and it's gonna pop on you. So make sure your oil is well hot. So now guys, I'm going in with my chopped garlic to fry my fish. Some people use Scotch bonnet pepper to fry their fish, but I'm just gonna use my chopped garlic at the moment. So guys, I'm just gonna add a little to my oil. So now guys, I'm gonna go in with my fish. We're gonna fry our fish until around 5 to 6 minutes until crispy golden brown. A moment of silence, guys. If you love some escovitch or fried fish, let me know in the comment section. So now, guys, we're gonna turn over our fish on the other side so that the other side could be fried. So take a little time. Can I get a wow? Wow! Take a look at my fish, all crispy and golden brown. And the other side we're gonna fry for the same time, 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. Now, guys, I'm going to eat my other fish. Wow, look how hot and nice my oil is frying that bad boy together. The reason why I add one at a time is because I want my fish to get enough space to be fried properly. Now we're gonna turn it over on the other side. So now, guys, my fish is done, and I'm going to remove my fish. And there you have it, guys. My fish is all fried. So I'm just going to place it on my paper towel right here. And there you have it, guys. We're going to move on to the other process. Now we're going to make our escovitch sauce. Now I'm going to go in a little oil, and this little oil is to saute all my veggies. So here is all my veggies, guys, that I'll be sauteing. Make sure you have your scotch bonnet pepper, guys. So I'm going in with my carrots. Going in my carrots, my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper here, my sweet pepper. And I'm just going to saute all of this. We're not going to let it be transparent. We still need that nice crunchy taste in our veggies. So I'm just going to saute this for a little minute. So now, guys, our veggies is at the right texture that I want it to be. So now I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of vinegar. I'm just gonna toss it over there like this. Then I'm gonna go in with my pimento seed. Just gonna add a few of my pimento seed. And I'm gonna give this a stir. And I'm gonna cook this down for 5 minutes. So everything comes to a boil. And guys, this smells so good, especially when the vinegar gets in this niceness. OMG. Look at all the colors, guys. It's so colorful. Let's leave this for 5 minutes time. So see you back in 5 minutes time. So now, guys, my escovitch sauce is all ready and nice, smelling so good. We're gonna turn our stove off and we're gonna pour it over my fish. All the niceness here. I'm gonna scoop up some like this. We're gonna pour it over our fish. All the gravy, guys. And voila, there you have it, guys, my Escovitch fish in my kitchen the Jamaican way. Look how golden brown and crunchy my fish is, and look at all those colors, my carrots, my sweet peppers, my onion. The smell of this is everything. So guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And please don't forget to comment and tell me what you love about this recipe. And also, if you want to see me cook something again in my kitchen, comment below and tell me what you want to see me cook again. And turn your notification on so you don't miss out all the niceness in my kitchen. So guys, have a blessed day and see you soon. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Enough love and respect. Peace out. Bye guys.